Please ignore my heavy voice as I am having cold from past few days. It's freaking cold out here, so I can't help it. But anyways, a very happy new year to you all, and I wish that 2019 will be the best year for you all and for me too. Now you all know that previously I discussed about the smartphone trends of 2018, and while I was watching that video, I thought that why not I do another video in which I will discuss the technology predictions for 2019, and I will see that video at the end of this year and compare which of the things came true. So I am very excited for this first video of the year, and now let's roll the intro. But before we proceed further, you make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Now, the first prediction for 2019 is, I think you all know by now, it's 5G. Yeah, we all have been waiting for this thing from quite a long time, and we Indians also got bored from 4G because Jio hasn't done anything big from past 1.5 years. So we are having many expectations from 5G, and I think this year we will see almost every brand launching their new 5G smartphones. The race for this had already begun at the Qualcomm event, when many companies claimed to launch their 5G phones in 2019, and they also said that they want to be the very first to do that. But let's see who will win this race for launching the first 5G smartphone. And as CES is also around the corner, so expect to see a 5G smartphone pretty soon. I am very excited for this. So apart from 5G, the second technology which I think will dominate 2019 is foldable displays. Yeah guys, this is 2019 and the foldable displays are now a reality. And who knows, we might see these foldable smartphones very soon. Though the technology will be new and the smartphones also will be very big, bulky, or may have very giant bezels, but the ability to fold the display is one hell of a thing. And maybe at CES also many brands come up with their folding smartphone prototypes, and I am also waiting for the Samsung's folding smartphone, that is the Galaxy F or Note F or Folding F, whatever will be. I am waiting for the Samsung's folding smartphone. So now coming to the next prediction, it's a bit of concerning one, and it's the data privacy rules. In 2018, we have saw a tremendous increase in data leaks and exposures, and who can forget Facebook, the company who sold their users' data like some cloth retailer. They exposed everything like login credentials, financial details, and many other important stuff, and they also sold these things to many other big tech companies. So 2018 was a very bad year for the data security, and I hope this thing won't repeat in 2019 because we already lost our trust on Facebook, and I don't want to lose trust in other big companies also. So some strict data privacy laws in 2019 are one of my top tech prediction, and I hope that this thing won't be breached or there will not be any data leaks. Now coming to my last tech prediction, and this thing is going to be really game changing. It's the use of AI and machine learning in more and more fields. AI and machine learning has been dominating the tech industry from the past 2 to 3 years, and I also hope this year these technologies will create some awesome new stuffs as well. And yeah, you will also hear these words a lot during the smartphone launch events, just like Google bores you in their every event with their shit speech that they give in their box-sized halls. Anyways, the bottom line is AI and machine learning will going to dominate the entire industries, whether it's tech or any other industry, and I hope we humans will use these technologies in a good way and will not cause any type of harms. So guys, these are the top technology trends that I think will dominate 2019. I know I have discussed them in a very fast pace, but don't worry, I will make separate videos for all of them and I will discuss them all in detail. Apart from that, thank you all for all the love and support you have given me in 2018, and I really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. And in this year I will work a lot harder to bring some more good quality content and some awesome videos for you all. For now, I hope you like this video, and I will be very curious to show you some more interesting content like this in the future also. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me. For the time being, goodbye guys, and I will see you all in the next one.